Hey, what's up guys, I am Tick and you're watching Tic Tac. Today we talk about 5 cool gadgets that blow your mind. As usual, all the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. If you're interested in the electric bicycle but are on the tight budget, then the Rubbee X electric bicycle conversion kit is the best option for you. This conversion kit includes batteries, electronics and a motor that touches the rear tire of the bike. It also has a wireless cadence sensor that tracks your pedaling pattern and adopts the electronic assist automatically. Its quick release lock technology enables Rubbee to be installed and detached with one hand in just 1 second. The ultra bright rear safety light not only works as a brake light but also displays battery level and acts as a turn indicator. If you need to store your bike indoors, then Velo is the great option for you. The cover is made from polyester and spandex and can be easily machine washed when it gets dirty. It simply slips over the bottom half of your bicycle and protects your floors from messy debris as it collects in the bottom. This is also useful for individuals who transport their bikes in the back of SUVs and don't want the extra clean that comes with the day out. If you are a cyclist, you may need the Granite Design Stash Multi-Tool. This multi-tool provides an innovative solution to carrying essential tools that might be needed to fix a roadside mechanical issue. This gadget replaces the standard compression bang and resides inside the fork stereo. Once installed, it hides an 8-piece multi-tool that performs different tasks. Lightweight and quick to install via its easy expansion system, this tool is an essential accessory for all cyclists. The reTyre Zap-on tire system lets you quickly modify your tire feature for a better riding experience. This modular design tire system with integrated zippers allows you to change the surface of your tire in seconds. The reTyre is essentially a rubber skin that is installed over your existing tire and is fastened at both ends with a zipper arrangement. You simply attach a new skin whenever needed, allowing riders to adapt to unpredictable weather and road conditions. They are also made from very eco-friendly natural rubber that provides low rolling resistance. Ride safely with the wing lights bicycle turn signal. They are extremely handy direction indicators with LED lighting for the handlebars of your bicycle. The LED lights flash in bright amber yellow light, making you visible 360 degrees to all other road users in all weather conditions. Simply attach the wing lights by placing them on the side of your handlebar. The aluminum wing lights are 100% waterproof and come with the high quality batteries. Moreover, they automatically shut off after 45 seconds to save battery. If you enjoyed this video, do make sure to like and subscribe for more tech gadget videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.